Hey guys, this is Jordan here, and I have a quick video about my Lego remote controlled NXT car with a joystick. I don't know if anyone has used this mechanism in this joystick, but I think I am the first person that uses this mechanism. It uses a color sensor to detect colors inside to drive the car. You will see this later when I will show you the mechanism. Let's see how let's turn on the NXTs. This one is on already, and I will turn this one on. I will make a Bluetooth connection. My contacts. Joran connect on line 1. It's connected by now. Let's start the program. Bluetooth joystick. No. Yes. See? If I put this like this, forward, right, left, the battery is pretty low, so backward. It cannot turn like left right, like diagonal, because the color sensor cannot detect 8 colors. Yeah, 8. It only can detect probably like 6. So it was the easiest for me. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay guys, how it actually works. It has a color pattern inside and it uses a light sensor, color sensor on the bottom of the joystick so that it detects the color. It has the color yellow or green, not sure, but I programmed it to. It has red, it has white, and it has blue. If I go with my joystick left, right, backward, forward, you see it changes from direction so it can read those colors. If you put it on there, you actually can see that it sees the color. Yes, you can see it like right here. It is the color, and I programmed that if it senses black, it just does nothing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below in this video. See you in next video. It probably will be Invictus version 95's HPR. You will find the instructions for the joystick in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.